Hey son, have I ever taught you about the birds and the bees? The bees? The bees? Have I ever taught you about the birds and the bees? No. Well, you're in for a treat. Well, you're in for a treat, son. You know what I mean when me and your mom are gonna milk the peach? No, you don't? Do you know what I mean when me and your mom are gonna sharpen the carrot? No. What about? Whoa! We're having an earthquake! Whoa! Whoa! Looks like we're having an earthquake! Whoa! 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 We're having an earthquake, son! You know that? We're having an earthquake. Oh, you didn't know that? Looks like it slowed down. Whoa! You know what we mean when we're gonna treat the strawberry, me and your mom? No? Whoa! Oh! You don't know what I mean when your mom are gonna try the forbidden fruit. No? Well, let me show you. Come on, son. Come on. Let me show you. You got hands, son? You got hands? You got... Yeah. Come on, son. Get up. I'll teach you one more time. There you go, son. Come on. Come on, son. It's hilarious. Come on. There you go, son. Hands, son. Yes, son. Yes, son. Now I'm gonna go visit your mom and show her how to... I'm gonna go see your mom and we're gonna juice the pear. Play your Lego. God damn. Oh, son, you're down. It's good to see you. How was the Lego? How are you doing? Good. Awesome. Whoa!